Right. So when you click on the link today, this brings you to the lab. You want to skip intro and go straight to lab. Your lab today is very simple. You just grab a battery. You'll be building a very simple circuit today. Grab a wire, and the wires have to connect to something. So I'm going to put 2 wires on there, and you can drag these out as long as you want. The last thing that you got to do is put a resistor in there. Today we're working with 1 resistor. I don't like how that looks because it's not perfect rectangle, so I'm going to change that. There you go. You can see these little negatives moving through because over here it is showing electron current, which is more modern view of electricity. We know it's negative electrons flowing through the current through the circuit. However, I want you to click conventional because that's what we've been dealing with today. All you're doing for your lab today is changing the value of this resistor and using a set value for this battery, and you're going to measure how the current changes. So to change the values, you just double click on something. We're going to use a voltage of 5 today. So change the battery voltage to 5 volts. The resistor, all you got to do to change the resistor is drag this bar over. However, you're going to start with 10, and I want you to measure the current. Your measurement tools are over here. So if you want to measure voltage, you use this thing. We'll talk about that some other time. Ammeters, right here, measure current. So you drag this thing in, and you just put the bullseye right on the circuit, and you can see no matter where you go, the current is the same. So you write down this 0.5 amps in the place on your data table where the resistance is 10 ohms, and then you move on, and you're going to change this to 20, then 30, then 40, then 50, and write down your new currents. That's how you get your data for the lab today.